Okay, here's a good question. So I'm looking for ways to simplify these, hoping at the end that I have square root of something, and there's a number up front, plus the square root of the same thing. So currently the radicands are different. When you look to simplify, always look for two things inside, you can bring one out, or you can think of looking for a perfect square. Let's first try 12. So I could write 12 as 6 times 2, but then 6 is 3 times 2. And then I have this other 2 there, so that's 2. So I could really write this as 7 times the square root of 3 times 2 times 2. Since it's a square root, every 2 that are inside, I can bring one out. So it'll be 7 times 2, the thing that I brought out, root 3, or 14 root 3. Okay, the next one, plus 3, okay, 108. 54 times 2, that would work. And then 54 splits up to 2 times 27 times 2. 27, that splits up to 9 times 3. 9 times 3. And then this 9 splits up again, so 2. The 9 splits up to 3 times 3. And then this 3 and this 2. So for every 2 things that I see inside, well, let me write it up here. So square root of 1/8 is the same thing as 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. So for every 2 things inside, here's 2 3s, I can bring a 3 out. So I have a 3 there already, and I'll bring this 3 out. And then also there's 2 2s. There's a 2 there and a 2 there. So I can bring a 2 out. And then inside, I'd just be left with a 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. So now I have common radicals, like I was saying down here. So if these radicands are the same, then I can add their coefficients. So 14 and 18, I think, is 32 root 3. Hopefully that helps you with that one.